Importing Fruits and Vegetables from Spain to the United Kingdom, a step-by-step guide for UK importers. Understanding the post-Brexit framework. Since Brexit, fresh fruits and vegetables arriving from Spain into Great Britain are treated as full imports and require complete customs procedures, even when tariff duty is zero for goods of EU origin under the UK-EU Trade and Cooperation Agreement. This means your produce can enter duty-free when it is grown and harvested in Spain, but it still must meet plant health controls, marketing standards, and customs clearance requirements. What duty-free really depends on. The zero tariff benefit is conditional on origin. Produce harvested in Spain qualifies, but goods transshipped through Spain from third countries do not automatically qualify and may attract standard duties unless separate preference arrangements apply. Because of this, importers must retain clear origin evidence from suppliers and be ready to provide it if HMRC asks. 3 parallel tracks you must manage. A compliant import operation runs on 3 tracks at the same time. First is plant health and biosecurity, administered by the Animal and Plant Health Agency and enforced through border control posts. Second is marketing standards compliance, overseen by Horticultural Marketing Inspectorate in England and Wales, and SASA in Scotland. Third is customs clearance through HMRC systems, where declarations capture the commercial data and apply tariff treatment, while import VAT is still relevant even when duty is zero. Pre-notification through IPAFFS. Where required, importers must pre-notify APHA through the Import of Products, Animals, Food, and Feed System, known as IPAFFS, at least 1 working day before arrival. The notification includes details such as the goods description, quantities, packaging type, the entry point, arrival time, and the identity of the Spanish grower or exporter. On arrival, documentary checks confirm that the phytosanitary certificate and the pre-notification information are valid and consistent. Phytosanitary certificates and border inspections. A phytosanitary certificate is issued by the Spanish plant health authorities to confirm the produce has been inspected, found free from quarantine pests, and meets UK import requirements for that commodity. UK authorities may also carry out identity checks and physical inspections based on risk, past compliance, and random sampling. If issues are found, goods may be refused entry, destroyed, or required to undergo official treatment, depending on the nature of non-compliance. Marketing standards and certificates of conformity. Beyond plant health, fruits and vegetables must also meet UK marketing standards for quality, sizing, labeling, and presentation. Some products fall under specific marketing standards and must be graded into defined quality classes. For these products, a certificate of conformity is required before goods can be released for free circulation. This certificate is obtained by applying through IPAFFS to the relevant Great Britain authority, and inspections may take place at the border or at approved inland facilities. Filing import declarations with Customs Declarations UK. Customs Declarations UK provides a streamlined way for importers, freight forwarders, and logistics operators to prepare and submit import declarations to HMRC's Customs Declaration Service. The platform uses guided wizards that prompt for key information such as importer and exporter details, quantities, customs values, origin information, and supporting document references. As data is entered, CDUK runs real-time validation checks to highlight missing information and inconsistencies before submission, reducing the risk of rejection and the delays that come with rework. Once your declaration is complete and validated, CDUK submits it electronically and returns an immediate response showing acceptance or rejection. When accepted, CDUK displays the movement reference number, which is the unique identifier used to track clearance status. Building a reliable Spain to UK import operation. A successful Spanish produce import operation is built on disciplined compliance across plant health controls, marketing standards, and accurate customs processes. Choose suppliers who understand UK requirements, keep strong documentation, complete pre-notifications when required, secure certificates of conformity where applicable, and submit validated customs declarations through Customs Declarations UK. The UK-EU trade framework offers a strong commercial advantage, but importers realise it fully only when origin evidence and regulatory requirements are handled correctly and consistently. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.